I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Digistore24 account. Make sure you use your main email and complete two-factor authentication. Once logged in, navigate immediately to Settings so you don't waste time. Make a quick list of active subscriptions and any pending payouts, because you will need to resolve them before deletion. If you have integrations or API keys, disconnect them now. This first pass prevents interruptions later and speeds the closure process, so take these actions deliberately and confirm each item. Next, go deeper into Settings and find Account or Privacy Controls. Digistore24 lists account closure under those menus. You'll see warnings about data loss and pending transactions. Read them carefully so you understand the why behind each requirement. Then cancel all active subscriptions and request final payouts. The system often blocks deletion until payouts clear. Revoke API keys and third-party access, because linked services can prevent full removal. Proceed step by step, confirming. Finally, once everything is resolved, press Delete Account and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically need to type your email or a phrase to confirm intent. Make sure to check your inbox for the confirmation link and click it within the time limit, because many systems require that final verification. If the account doesn't close, contact support with your payout records. One key troubleshooting tip: unresolved payouts or open support tickets are the most common blockers. Clear or document them to force completion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.